This bird is called the Anhinga, also known as the snake bird, because its neck resembles that of a snake. It's really long. It's a wetland bird native to Trinidad, also found in other regions, and they would dive down in water to catch fish. This is the Anhinga. Look at it. See its long neck? Let me see if I can get a little bit closer. And there you guys saw it jump down in the water. When he comes up in the water, you see that long neck sticking out. I hope I can get him coming up in the water. Ah, there he is. Seeing him? Look, his neck came up. Look like a snake, right? This is the Anhinga, one of the beautiful bird species found locally. He went under the water again. Not seeing him coming up. So there we have it, guys.